Go ahead. Thank you very much, the national chairman of our party. All other protocol duly established. My name is Fabiyi Oladimeji. I'm the chairman of Lagos ADC primary elections. In Lagos, the total number of polling units in Lagos is 13,325. Lagos equally have a total number of 45 for the wards and 20 local government areas. The total number of members of the ADC that are registered are 73,715. And we had total valid votes from the exercise was 46,718. 46,718. And here are the breakdown of the election results. His Excellency Atiku Abubakar GCON polled 37,783. 37,783. The Right Honorable His Excellency Rotimi Amaechi polled 6,791. 6,791. Alhaji Hayatu-Deen Muhammad polled 2,144. 2,144. That is the breakdown.
Yeah, thank you. Can you give us a brief as to how the election was conducted, whether it was free and fair?
Thank you very much.
And any hitches, any challenges?
Yes. In one of the local government, which is the committee decided to cancel it because we established financial inducement, which we felt was against the spirit, the letter, and the policy of the ADC. So we cancelled Shomolu local government completely. So then, sir, every election has a soul. Elections such as this equally has a soul, and that soul is the accreditation. What really helped us in Lagos to achieve what we did was the strict adherence to the guidelines of the party in terms of accreditation. And that really engendered peace, credibility, and fairness in that election. So thank you very much.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you, sir.
As you come forward, may we have the chairperson for Rivers State, Obaro Olohu. I hope I didn't call it right. Mrs. Obaro. Thank you so much.
Good evening, Mr. Chairman of our great party, His Excellency David Mark. Chairman Committee, Primary Election, ADC. Good evening, sir. My name is Obaro Olohu, the returning officer from Rivers State Primary Elections. The total number, Rivers State have 23 local governments, and the total number registered member of ADC in Rivers State is 118,206. 118,206. Total number accredited is 117,704. I repeat, 117,704. Total breakdown of the vote casted. His Excellency Alhaji Atiku Abubakar had total number of 912. 912. His Excellency Shibike Rotimi Amaechi, total number of 115,650. 115650. Mohammed Hayatu-Deen scored 1142. 1142. Thank you, sir. That is the total number of them. Okay, sir.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, sir.
Please tell us, to learn and know how the election was conducted in Rivers, whether it was peaceful, any incidents or hitches, and any other thing you think we should hear about how you conducted the election there. Thank you.
Election was peaceful in Rivers State. Just that we had a little delay in collation because of the riverine area of most of the LGA. At about 6 yesterday, I would have finished collating, but I was still waiting for about 11 LGA, which are the riverine area. They took boats for the whole of the day before they could arrive Rivers State, as in their villages, their riverine areas. They go through boats with their transportation. I think that was what actually delayed me for the collation. Thank you, sir.
So the election was peaceful?
Very peaceful, sir.
And no cancellations?
Not at all, sir.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome,
bring
sir.
it forward. Let's have our chairman for Bayelsa, Commodore Promise.
The national chairman of our great party, ADC, the chairman of the Presidential Primary Election Planning Committee, the leadership of our great party, ADC, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, my name is Commodore Promise Dapa Retired, chairman of the Presidential Primary Election Committee, Bayelsa State. The primary election was successfully conducted across the entire 105 wards of the 8 local government areas of Bayelsa State. There was no untoward incident throughout the election. The result of the presidential primary election held in Bayelsa State is as follows. 1. His Excellency Atiku Abubakar scored a total of 1,470 votes. His Excellency Atiku Abubakar scored a total of 1,470 votes. 2. His Excellency Chibuike Rotimi Amaechi scored a total of 21,404 votes. His Excellency Chibuike Rotimi Amaechi scored a total of 21,404 votes, while Alhaji Mohammed Hayatu-Deen scored a total of 439 votes. Alhaji Mohammed Hayatu-Deen, 439 votes. The total number of valid votes cast are 23,313 votes. Total valid votes, 23,313 votes. Total number of registered voters in Bayelsa State, 24,657. 24,657 votes. Having completed my assignment, I want to thank the national chairman and leadership of our great party for this great opportunity. Once again, thank you. Yes.
Thank you so much, Commodore, and describe to us briefly how the election went, whether any incidents.
The election, like I said earlier on, was very successful. It was hitch-free across the state.
Thank you. Thank you. As you bring it, I think
Thank you, sir.
Edo registration to the period of deadline to submit to INEC was quite short. So after then, the ADC numbers has almost doubled, or more than doubled. So the figures you're hearing, we insist that the parties asked all the states to restrict themselves to those who registered before, whose names appear on the register before the registers went to INEC. So these are not the figures of members of ADC. We have much more members than that.